Guys, 60 subs. Oh my goodness. Wait, gotta go to the con. The con. The con is now registered. Let's watch some videos. Kasi here's my channel. You can use. Just ignore the dot. Ignore that. Censor the title. Ignore!
Uminom ka na ng tubig. Tuwing naiihi ka ng konti, hindi uminom ka na.
Bye!
Konti-konti ihi mo. Iinom ka pa yata ng gamot eh.
So, ignore that. Okay, let's watch. Wait a sec. Let's watch this. Low volume. Wait!
Yung naman puta, yung dinadalanan mong ano na naman. Sinabi ko hindi mo papakialaman to. Ano, hindi mo marinig? Hindi mo marinig?
Let's watch this.
Hina-hina lang naman yan. Hindi mo naman kinacharge data to. Oh, i-charge mo doon.
Wait. Just wait.
Doon, lagyan mo doon.
You better do what you can.
Ayun, yan. Pwede na yan. Ayun. Ay.
Ayun. It's not too jump.
Ibaba mo, ibaba. May pula ba?
May pula.
Meron?
Meron. Bro.
Maganda yan. Dama.
Ha?
Movie ba yan? Ano?
Movie? Nagman lang ito. I think I got it.
This challenge is stupid. It's physically impossible.
What?
Sabi ko, ibaba mo doon. Bakit? Ha? Hindi ka ba mag-ano? Hindi ka ba nakikinig?
Did you just send me that picture?
Bruh. Did not watch the list. Only in a different video.
Hindi gagalawin yan, ha? Hindi yan laptop yung speaker, ha? Kahit laptop, hindi ginagalaw.
I have 60 subs now, thanks to you. 60 subs. I don't know why people are still subbing to me. Not like gratis frequency.
Yaan mo.
Alright. So, next video. So we'll watch the favorite videos video. Bruh.
Hey guys, Cat Neptune. Today I'm gonna be a cat for 1 day.
Sleepy.
You. How do I be a cat? Hey, come back here. How do I be a cat? Okay, so, I think we're supposed to scratch this, I think. Excuse me? Hey, how do you scratch this like a cat? You don't like when I touch your butt, huh? Alright, time for more cat things. Alright. Yeah. Excuse me, Mrs. Other cat, how do I be a cat like you? I just sit. Is that it? Alright, time to drink some water.
Hey Dad, what does WTF mean?
Oh, that's easy. It means let's go.
Bruh, I'm gonna get demonetized. No.
Wednesday through Friday.
No.
LMAO. Literally all over.
It's all for copywriting you. Well, whatever. Ito ka my favorite video. Bro. Is there a favorite video? Look at this. now that you are at the restaurant. Now that you are at the restaurant. Mamo.
Guys, I'm getting ready to go out. Mom?
Tako! Tako!
Beautiful baby boy. Thanks, Mom. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Not tako.
This is actually the best you can look. Should have expected that.
Not tako. Not tako. Not tako.
Handsome human being in existence. Grandma, I can always count on you.
Not tako.
Okay? I'll take it. Dad, you look like that thing that nothing around here. It eats all my money. Well, hey, Rebecca, you look beautiful tonight. I have come to a firm conclusion that neighborhood standards will be the end of me. What is this? The 26 as if they do this shit every day. How can I get you and steal toys for Band-Aids? Okay. Discover the new 2024 Suzy Bones. Cutting edge baking.
Bro, this is the longest video I ever made. Favorite video I made. It's possible. It's only a video. I know what you do. But yeah. But So far, we've gone so far. I think it's relatable. No! Hindi, pusa. Wait down. Sabi daw, I am Big Billy, the biggest wet Willy, and I'm gonna go clearly. Pusa yun ah. Look. I'm cold! I'm cold! Towel, Mary! No! Yan na naman. I'm alive and my heart will go on and on. Whatever! Oh God, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely. Lonely, I'm lonely, yeah. We're gonna go to the camp. You watch this.
Kami ang tatapakan mo, ha? Kasta
bye guys. See you in the next video.